It's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we are taking a break from the shop and easing up here to Mo-Kan to watch the NA and Small Tire Shootout on a Friday night, kind of test and tune. I think Travis Cannon's the one that put this together. So we're gonna ease down here and park by all of our buddies out of Salem. You guys are in luck. We had to park with Dominic and Cassidy and the Vega, and we'll get a full deal on that here in a minute. So he can tell us all about it. Okay guys, so Dominic just made a pass in the car. We're gonna kind of give you a rundown real quick of what it is. And we're here with Cassidy. She's gonna tell us all about it, all right? So the car was built
in a one-car garage.
One-car garage by
a fat man, 3 old men, and a girl.
And it goes pretty fast when the nitrous is on.
Yeah, it doesn't run bad.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about it though. So it's a big block.
Big block Chevy.
That was in the Blazer before.
Yes.
Okay.
Same motor.
Yeah, so they had a square body, 2-door, 2-wheel drive Blazer with the setup. And what that truck run? Like 10s or something, right?
Yeah, we got it in the 10s.
Right? So, and this car's been the best of what?
The best it's ran has been like a 580 in the 8.
So that's fast.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
Yeah, and then you guys are sorting out a new converter.
Yep. Hopefully we can get some more potential out of it.
Yep. And small tire, of course.
Yep.
Because that's the way everybody races now.
Yep. It's actually got a smaller tire than everybody else.
See, one thing is the car weighs 3,800 pounds. Yeah, totally 3,800 pounds.
It's a fatty.
Yep. Apparel, she is wearing the shirt here. And let's see the back. Yeah. So these are available if you message. I'll put their stuff in the bottom there. And okay, so we're gonna flip back and forth between the car all night. So because I'm hanging out with them in the rental car. So all right, crew chief #1 in the world right there. So then this probably isn't good. I don't know what he's done, but I'm not gonna ask. All right, so Dominic's draining the I guess just gas out of it, fuel, whatever the hell you want to call it. And he's gonna put race gas in it so he can spray both kits of nitrous on the big block. So I think we are up as one of the first few pairings because he called out Nick Robinson in a little S10. So we'll see what happens now. All right, guys, so Dominic's checking everything over. He did win that round, as you saw, because you never saw the S10 come around him. Barely started the in-car footage because I was watching the other one. And our boy Jimmy moves on too. What do you got for me?
Hey, that's an unfair advantage, sir. Yeah, that's right.
All right, guys, here we go. Start of round 2, small tire. Timmy Meehan and Chris Harper, 2 Turbo LS.
order to put up a...
Woo!
Out of Oklahoma City, 91 Mustang of Cody Hoffman. On the Redemption Motorsports side out of Springfield, Missouri,
I got a buck on the
the convertible Mustang of Gary
I have to
Spaniak.
agree with you. I ain't gonna bet against that.
I will.
For real?
We
Yeah.
we think the left lane could possibly win on a hole shot.
Was the money and the bragging rights going to Oklahoma City or heading towards Springfield? Synchronized
Over.
Oh,
Close lights.
Spaniak staying straight.
Oh.
Oh.
It'll be Gary. Congrats, Gary and crew, and as well as Cody.
All right, I don't know if you can see this or not, but hey, that was a fun night. Man, I had a good time. The weather was great. It cooled off after the sun went down, and it just went well. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. I'm headed home. It's 1:20 a.m. Been a long time since I've stayed up this late at a racetrack. So thanks much.